Hi friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel Education and Research. My name is Ankur Agarwal and my contact number is 9601062146. You can contact me anytime if you have any queries or any questions regarding for the videos, right? I would like to explain about the today's beautiful information which can be helpful for your career as well as for your life, because the government has taken the initiative for the public for their benefits. Here I'd like to mention this is the meity.gov.in. This is the website of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So whatever the schemes are coming in India based on the direction of the Prime Minister and other participants, uh, it comes under the MEIT, means in the form of electronic applications. So please be aware about this website so that it can help you how to apply and take the benefit of these government schemes. I would like to explain little bit idea about this website, and in the next upcoming videos I will explain how to apply the particular schemes, and they are the various schemes which you can take and benefits on time. Just please type the meity.gov.in. This link I have already given in my video descriptions. Please go to that particular link, you will land it to this website. So this website has various menus. The first menu is for the home, another is about MEITY, and another is for divisions, organizations, RTI, notifications, and contact us. So my friends, sorry, my friends, I will not explain to each and every menus, but definitely the most important menus I will explain, and after that you can explore at your end. The first we will look into the vision and mission of this MIT. The vision is for the e-development of India as an engine of the transition into developed nations and an empowered society, and the mission is to promote e-governance of empowering citizens, promoting the inclusive and sustainable growth of electronics, IT and ITES industries, enhancing India's role in internet governance, adopting a multi-pronged approach that includes for the development of human resource, promoting R&D and innovations, enhancing efficiency and a digital service, and ensuring a secure cyberspace. So they have a various objectives. The first is e-governance, second is e-industry, third one is e-innovations, and fourth one e-learning, and fifth one e-security and e-inclusions and the internet governance. So these are the objectives where the government has taken launches the various schemes and the services where the public can avail, right? And if you go for the divisions, they have a various divisions like electronic system and design manufacturing, IT and ITS division, e-governance division, cyber laws and e-security, cyber security division, infrastructure and governance division, economic planning, HRD and knowledge management, research and development, international cooperation, parliament matters, trade and investment, human-centered computing, emerging technology divisions, and digital economy and digital payment divisions. So these are the divisions where the governments are taking the initiatives and the services and the schemes are available. So each and every division, I will not go for each and every division, but few idea I will give you for these divisions. So once you right click on these divisions, you will land it here, the policies, procedures and all, right? So my first division I have taken here, it's for the what are the electronics and design manufacturing division. So electronic design manufacturing division, you will see these are the national policy of electronics, national policy of electronic 2012, national manufacturing policy for 2011. You can visit these, you can download these policies and go through these policies, what are the government has introduced the informations of these policies under these policies. And I hope so these policy can help you to understand once you are initiate your business or manufacturing companies and all, right? You can download it here. This is the path, and I'll put this part under the video descriptions. You can take the part from here itself. Let's come to the another divisions. We have another division for IT and IS. So in that particular division you will landed the most beautiful interface where you can see for the software and service sector. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you have a set of enable services what we have, like performance and contribution towards for the export by IT and ITS industries, export destinations, employment, export promotion schemes, BPO promotion schemes, rated organization projects. So just click on this project. What are the projects with the government are doing right away is for the sanction letter issued for the current financial years. You can get information of the project of the administrative approval here. Let's coming back to the IT and ITS page. They have a certain schemes and policies for the ITs. You can go through that. We have two promotional export promotion schemes for the software technology park and special economic zone schemes. The software technology park, if you can get if you have a company, you want to set up your company in that particular STP, then you can have these benefits like custom duty exemptions and central and excise duty exemptions. All relevant equipments are will be available. So these are the things you can have a benefits. But if you have a company in SEZ, means the special economic zone, so these are the benefits you can have. So if you want to know for more detail of the STPI, this is the link www.stpi.in. You can just go and visit that website. You will have a complete information about the software technology park and how you can apply and set up your company in there. So this is the most beautiful website. You can see here that lots of services are available, like statutory service, internet service, data incubation services, PMC service, data center, and CR surveillance. So I'll cover this STPI website in the next coming video. So please stay tuned with my video channel Education and Research. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries, you can just comment it below. And I hope that this most important video it can be fruitful, and I'll continue for the various divisions one by one in my upcoming videos. I hope you like it. Right, please stay tuned. This was the part 1, and I'll continue with the part 2 with some more and more fruitful information of this Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.